Hello guys, again we are back again with another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside 8-in-1 ratchet wrench, and this Parkside multifunctional ratchet used to loosen or tighten screws, nuts and bolts. The size is from 80 to 21 millimeters. You can see some pictures from the other side, and let's open it, see what we have inside. First one, quite heavy. Well, into the first one we can see we've got an adjustable mechanism, open and close. It is from 65 to 22 millimeters, and of course left and right. Quite heavy, nice grip, very soft. And the other one, we've got the left and right mechanism from here. Same into the other side. But, well, I think it's time to use it and see how they work. Well, here they are. The first one, we can see it depends what screw you've got. As you push it, it enables the other, the black one or the metallic. Oh, I'm going to use this screw. And I can say, very easy to go all the way in. Very easy. Nice. Now I will use the other tool that is adjustable, and for that we can adjust and see what it fits better for us, and that is great. Now let's start. And it's not going anywhere, it stays the screw in the position as it should be. Nice. And of course you can adjust it for a smaller one. Again, there we are. And there's no problem, it's going all the way in. Well guys, that was all about this multifunction ratchet tool and the 8-in-1 ratchet wrench. If you don't want to carry on with you many tools, about 20 or 30 different kind of tools, these two tools, they will make your hand free, and definitely they will help you to your everyday work in your garage, if you're a mechanic, in your home, wherever you want to use it. They cost only 12 euros. They are quite heavy, and it gives you the feeling that is well manufactured. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, share this video, you never know who will need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.